Prairie Plant Girl here. I'm out in my garden today, and I've given up on growing my own broccoli, so I picked some starts up at the store the other day, and I'm gonna give that a try. So let me show you the area here. So this is my little space for broccoli. You can see I have a lovely little tag there. Broccoli. It's supposed to be green magic. And there's no green magic happening here. Maybe there? I don't know. Just doesn't seem to want to do anything, so I'd really like to grow broccoli. I never have. So I picked up some starts. I don't know what they are because the tag just says broccoli. So I'm hoping that I can get this some of this going here. Now there's 6 plants in here. I don't think I have room for 6 plants right here, so maybe I have to pop some in somewhere else, but I'm going to try and get these in the ground here. Okay, so I'm not sure why, but I didn't bring my tripod with me, but oh, what's this? Did we have a broccoli? What is that? I wonder if we had one trying to grow, or if that was a weed. I don't know. I put a little bit of blood and bone on the soil here, so I'll just mix it in. Alright, so I have my whole dug there. And my broccoli. These are pretty root bound. I'm just gonna break the roots. I don't know if that's good for broccoli or not, but set it down in the ground there. And again here, just work some of that blood and bone in. And set this down. On the ground. You helping, Buster? You helping? Some more blood and bone mixed in, and there's a drip line right here that's running along this path, so they should be getting lots of moisture. We just actually have had almost 2 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. First rain we've had like that in probably a year, so soil and all the plants will really enjoy that. Alright. Put this one in. So I'm going to put this tag here by this little tiny sprout, and if it actually turns into broccoli, then I guess I'll know that's the one I grew from seed. Now, grab my things and try and find somewhere else to pop a few plants. This is my cauliflower bed. I should show you. Which one is it? This cauliflower went from barely anything to looking not so healthy, so I'm not sure what to think about this cauliflower. I keep trying to grow it. I've been trying to plant cabbage here and it just isn't doing anything. Some watermelon right here. This might get a little crowded, but put these couple extra broccoli in here. There. 6 broccoli plants. Hopefully even one of them gets me some broccoli. These are those giant cauliflower plants. And you can see all that black is just off my glove. It's just the dirt. And you see it's just a tight little group of leaves in there. No flower yet on that one. Little tiny, oh, that's a nice looking little one in there. I wonder if I should be picking it now or leaving it. Or if it's gonna turn like the other one. What do you think? This one looks like there's something happening down in there. Tiny little baby in there. Nothing in there. The flea beetles were really attacking these guys, but they seem to have moved on now. I tried planting cabbage along here. It doesn't look like I have anything. It looks like, I think that's all weeds coming up there. Not sure what this is here. So I'm going to focus on it. I guess I'll find out. But that's what's happening in my with my broccoli and cauliflower. I'll have to get you a more in-depth update soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. There's that old-looking cauliflower there. Thinking that's not edible. I've gotten them like this before and they're pretty bitter. So I don't know. Maybe I need to cut them when they're half this size and not be greedy. Smells good. Rained for less than 24 hours. More in the forecast. We got 1 3/4 inches, about 45 millimeters. We needed that rain. Hope more comes.